Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be talking about a new AI trading model, Novaex AI trading model. Alright, now this particular AI trading model allows you to trade cryptocurrencies in large scale while you earn their airdrop. Alright, and it's actually a global tech enterprise focused on AI driven quantitative trading systems, intelligent investment models, and blockchain financial technologies. Alright, so you can actually use this to trade while you earn their airdrops. All right, and over here guys is their official website, novaexai.com, and this particular website guys is going to be in the description box of this video for you to check it out. Over here guys you'll be able to see what they support and how they operate guys. They actually support top global crypto exchanges ranging from Binance, Coinbase, OKX, KuCoin, and different other exchanges, as you can see right here guys. And if you further scroll down, you get to see how they operate and how they actually work guys. All right, now before we proceed to showing you how this site actually works and how you can get along with it, if you are new to this channel or you're visiting us for the first time, all you have to do guys is just to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. Then you go ahead and smash the subscribe button down below and turn on your notification bell to all, so you always get notifications of important videos like this. Then also do well to join us on Telegram in case you're new to our Telegram channel. All right, now over here guys you can get this app on both your Google Play Store or your App Store. Let me just click on this one that says app. It's going to take me to the Google Play Store, so you can get it on Google Play Store and the App Store. This is the Google Play Store version and this is the App Store version. You can do well to install it in any of them guys. All right, now let me just head back a bit. For you to get started, all you have to do is just to come up here and launch application. Once you're done installing on your phone, right, you can use your phone to actually partake in this. Now over here guys, I'll just go ahead and log into my account. Remember, like I said guys, the link is in the description box of this video for you to get started. Use it, create an account with them, and you're good to go. So over here is my account on Novaex AI trading platform, and while trying to create this account, you'll be given a prompt to link your authenticator to this particular site. All you have to do if you don't have an authenticator guys is just to head on to your Google Play Store or your App Store and install the Google Authenticator app. Once you're done installing, you copy out the key they're going to give you, add it up to your Google Authenticator, and you link it up guys. Once you're done with that, this is how the page is going to appear. And like we already said guys, the aim of this site is to engage in large scale crypto trading and then earn their airdrop while trading. All right, while using their AI trading engine. So right here guys, you could see options like invite friends, deposit, withdraw, websites, Twitter, Telegram, YouTube, and daily check-in. All right, now you get to boost up your earnings on this particular site by performing all of these actions right here. All right, now if I get to check out the amount of next tokens I currently have, you could see that I have about $1,000 worth of next tokens. So once you just use my referral code to create an account, you're going to be gifted 1,000 next tokens. All right, and this is just like the airdrop token for this particular Nova AI trading platform. All right, now once you're gifted the $1,000 worth of it, then all you have to do guys is just to get to boost it up using this AI trading platform. All right, now you get to check in every day and claim out some points from it. Now this icon that says check-in right here, once you click on check-in, this page is going to come up. You get to claim some next tokens daily. For today, that is day one, I'm going to claim about 10 of these next tokens. Then the next day I'll claim about 20, the following day I'll claim about 30, 40, and the rest of them. So for today I'll just click on check-in now and claim these 10 next tokens. You can see this right here, done. So I'm going to close this right now and check in the next day. All right, now if I check out my balance guys, we discover that it has already increased 1,010 in total assets. All right, so for you to boost up this your balance some more, all you have to do guys is just come up here and participate in other of their activities. This one that says X, like Twitter, once you complete this action by following them on Twitter guys, you're going to earn extra 500 next tokens. Let's try this out. Click on this one that says complete and it's going to take you straight to Twitter. All right, and once you get here guys, all you have to do is just to go ahead and follow them. Once you're done following them, you come up here and Okay, this action has been completed. Let me just check out my balance once again. You discover that I have about 1,510 total assets, all right, and in Nova tokens I have about 1,510 next tokens. You can see this right here. So this is how to boost up your balance on the airdrop of this particular site. You can boost it up some more by visiting their Telegram and as well YouTube, all right. So you can always do this. Now they have other options like this deposit, withdraw, and this invite friends. If you click on deposit, that is if you want to make deposit in this site, you have different options to make deposits, all right. You have USDT, you have BNB, you have ETH, that is Ethereum, TRX, and then this is the next tokens, all right, the next tokens. Now talking about the AI trading aspects of this particular site, all you have to do, guys, is just to come up here and check out the markets. Once you click on markets, guys, you're going to see different cryptocurrencies you can actually use this particular AI trading model to trade. We have BTC, we have Ethereum, BNB, Solana, TRX, XRP, and all these ones right here. All right. Now, if you check out, once you click on this icon right here, you're going to see the AI smart trading engines you can actually use to trade this. The first one is that of conservative, and it has about a day cycle with 0.5 to 0.6%. Then this one that says stable has about 5 to 6%, and it has 7-day cycle. Balance has about 15 days, and an aggressive has about 30 days with 28 to 29% ROI. All right. Now at the moment I do not have any running orders. Once I click on this one that says orders, you discover that I don't have any running orders. All right. Now once you're able to activate this, you're going to see your orders right here. Now if you check out this one that says me, once again you're going to see my assets. Once you click on my assets, you'll be able to view your assets on this particular site, all right, either in next tokens, TRX, Ethereum, BNB, or USDT. You'll be able to view your assets, all right. And this one that says invite friends, once you click on invite friends, you'll be able to make use of this your referral link and invite friends to this particular site, all right, and earn more. Now this particular invite link is going to be in the description box of this video for you to get started. Like I already said, once you click on it, guys, they're going to give you 1,000 next tokens on registration. So all you have to do, guys, is just to click on it and get started. All right. Now if you have more questions on this particular Nova AI trading platform and how it works, all you have to do, guys, is just to go ahead and put it down in the comment section, and be glad to respond to your questions immediately. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed, and do well to give this video a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.